Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to change the keyboard theme on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the keyboard on your smartphone. Now from here, just tap on the settings icon on your keyboard. Now from here, just tap on theme. Now from here, you can choose any theme you like. As you can see, you have the option for solid colors, landscape images, and also you have light gradients and dark gradients. Now let's select this theme. Now from here, if you enable this option, it will apply borders to the keys on your keyboard. Just like that. I will enable this option. Now from here, just tap on apply. Now from here, if you go back and open the keyboard, as you can see, we have successfully changed the theme of our keyboard. And this is how you can change the keyboard theme on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.